Hi everybody, my name is Hanif. I'm mixologist at Golden Choice Marketing. Today I will present 4 types of drinks. The recipe I will use based on the Monin product. For the first drink, I will present to you is the Apple of Eden. For the Apple of Eden, I will use the Red Fuji fruit mix, flower blossom, and sweet and sour. Fuji apple, 25 ml. Flower blossom, 15 ml. Sweet and sour, 10 ml. Black tea, 115 ml. Ice. Then shake. Then pour all ingredients inside the glass. Okay, for the first drink, Apple of Eden, ready to serve. Second drinks, I will teach you how to make the cucumber citrus. For the cucumber citrus, I use a Monin yuzu fruit mix, Monin Syrup cucumber, and Monin lemon rancho. So for the fruit mix, I use 25. Five ml lemon rancho and 15 ml of cucumber syrup. Stir all ingredients first. Ice. And topping with soda water. Then for the garnishing, I use a fresh cucumber. For the third drink, I will teach you how to make the mango smoothie. For the mango smoothie, I will use the Monin fruit mix, mango fruit mix. Then I'll use also the peach syrup. Then also Monin yogurt fruit. So for the Monin fruit mix, I use 20 ml. For the peach syrup, I use 10 ml. (150 ml) water. And 30 gram yogurt free. Ice 250 grams. Then blend all ingredients until smooth. Pour all ingredients inside the glass. I will finish with the grenadine. This is just splash or just do surrounding for garnishing only. Then I use fresh mango for garnishing. Okay, so it's called mango in paradise. For the last drink today, I will teach you how to make smoothies. What I call is Iceland passion fruit. I will use Monin fruit mix, passion fruit, 20 ml. I will use almond syrup 10 ml and Monin yogurt free 30 gram. Ice 200 grams. And water 120 ml. Blend all ingredients together until your smoothie is smooth. Pour all ingredients inside the glass. Finish it with fresh passion fruit grains as a garnishing. Thank you everybody for watching our video today, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please give us a thumbs up for the video, and goodbye.